Hi, this is Irina O'Hara, and this is a presentation of my first Razor app. Here's the code, and I'm gonna run the app. Okay, it's taking a little long. Okay, so here's my index page. So this is generated from a database, like it's a seeded database. I can filter by genre and then a name at the same time, and then I can check out details, and then I can edit okay, yeah, I can edit, check out details, and then I can filter by just the title, and then I can delete an entry. Okay, so it deletes, and then I can create a new one, and if I just hit create, it will give me some validation errors. Okay, genre comedy, price. Okay, and it creates a new entry, and yeah, I finished all steps in the tutorial. So this is it. Thank you for watching.